According to Beyinfidick, you only need 3 minutes to persuade anyone about your product or idea. That's the 3-minute rule. And that's good because 1, you only have 3 minutes. If you don't answer your audience's fundamental questions in these 3 minutes, you're going to lose them. And 2, the success of your pitch often depends on how well your audience shares your idea with other decision makers. So the simpler and shorter your presentation, the easier it will be to remember, replicate, and convey your message to others. But how can you condense everything in 3 minutes? There's no magic formula to condense a 1-hour PowerPoint presentation down to 3 minutes. The temptation is to share everything that excites you about your startup, product, or idea. But this is not the right time. First, think. What does your audience truly care about? What will wow them? They're not sold on your idea yet, so there's no point going into its technicalities. And second, consider what will ensure they're not confused or go to sleep. If you come across a sentence in your pitch that requires more explanation, remove it. Besides, most details are irrelevant to your audience during an initial pitch. The point of your pitch is to win them over, so all you need to do is convey the gist of your idea. And then you can have a follow-up presentation or a Q&A session to answer any questions. So how can you design your pitch around the 3-minute rule? Naturally, you have to start with an opening. In 1 or 2 sentences, it should explain how and why you became interested in this idea. Try to remember your aha moment where everything clicked for you. Then, your pitch has to answer 4 fundamental questions that will help your audience conceptualize what you're pitching. Number 1, what is it? What's the promise or outcome and what makes it a good opportunity? Number 2, how does it work? How does it deliver on the promise and what needs to happen in order to succeed? Number 3, are you sure? What facts support your claims? And number 4, can you do it? How can you bring it to market and deliver on what you're proposing? Before the final question, the can you do it, you can strengthen your pitch by adding a couple of sentences about a challenge with the project and how you will overcome it. This is to preempt your audience's skepticism. They know that no project is perfect, so if you don't highlight key issues and solutions to them, they'll think you're hiding something, their mind will wander off to potential challenges, and you'll lose credibility.